Here's a set of premium team building and coaching cards that are ideal for facilitators, coaches, teachers, and trainers. They feel seriously well made the moment you hold them. This deck isn't flimsy cardstock. It's sturdy, beautifully finished, and tactile in a way that says, this is meant to be used again and again, which is exactly what you want in tools designed for group settings and repeat workshops. The deck opens up with information about the company and creators and a series of example ways to use the cards. The images on one side of each card are beautiful, thought-provoking, ideal for sparking ideas, conversation, and discussion. And on the other side is a famous quote prompting reflection and growth. And together, these cards, instead of generic icebreaker questions, invite participants to explore values, perspectives, strengths, and challenges in ways that feel thoughtful without being awkward. So whether you're in a coaching session, a team meeting, or a retreat, they encourage people to look beyond surface answers and share something deeper, which is where real connection and insights start to happen. I love the shape of these cards. Not only are they unique and aesthetic, but it means that more cards can connect to other cards when doing an activity where the cards are laid out next to each other. I also love how versatile they are. You can use them in one-on-one coaching, in small groups to spark dialogue, or as part of a structured workshop agenda in bigger groups. There are 56 cards in total. Each prompt feels intentional. Some encourage self-reflection, others spark curiosity about others, and the cumulative effect is that you walk away with deeper understanding and better conversations. This deck is robust, beautifully produced, and genuinely useful for anyone working in facilitation or leadership development or team coaching. So perfect for professionals or classroom leaders. And again, the presentation and cardstock, sublime. Recommend.